People in parts of South Philadelphia might be waking up on the wrong side of the bed this morning if they manage to get some sleep at all. Neighbors say the problem is this sound. Residents complain that whooshing noise has been going on nonstop at the Vicinity Energy plant all weekend long. Action News reporter Corey Davis is trying to get some answers. He's live outside the facility on the 2600 block of Christian Street. Corey, some people like a little white noise to try to go to sleep, but they're saying this is a bit more than that.
Yeah, Tam, I don't know how anyone is getting any sleep out here, especially with people who live so close to the Vicinity steam plant. I'll step out and show you. It's very concerning, and this sound is also quite mysterious because people have been trying to get answers, and so have we. Some families out here, they just can't sleep. They can't hear their TVs. So we're out here on Grays Ferry Avenue, a couple of blocks from the section of the most intense sound from the Vicinity steam plant. It's along the 2600 block of Christian Street here in South Philadelphia. So I want to give you a quick listen. We had to put some subtitles up with this one couple just so you can understand what they were saying.
Very frustrating and annoying. You kind of get used to it after a while. Like, sleeping's not so bad, but it's just very loud.
Had to turn on the subtitles on the TV.
Yeah, and those neighbors tell us it sounds like a constant jet engine that's going off, that has been going off at least since Friday, and some say it's gotten louder over time. It can be heard from several blocks away. The Vicinity steam plant provides a renewable source of energy. It uses steam to generate heating and cooling through an underground network of pipes for a massive section of the city. This includes buildings throughout Center City, nearby universities, hospitals, hotels, government buildings, as well as apartments. Neighbors don't know what to make of this and whether they should be worried. There aren't any chemicals or anything like that, just steam, but the pressure is cause for concern. Back in 2016, there was an explosion at the plant, which led to one minor injury. The plant had a different name at the time, but operators said one of the main boilers exploded to relieve excess pressure. So operators of Vicinity steam plants aren't telling us what's going on. I've made calls. Other people have made calls as well. We've reached out to additional people with the company to try to get some answers. But neighbors are telling us that they've been told it's a possible steam leak, but still nothing confirmed at the moment. They also say that they've been getting information about possibly this all being turned off either today or even tomorrow. So still a lot of questions about what's exactly going on causing this loud noise and when it will be turned off. So we'll definitely stay on top of any information we find out. For now, reporting live here in South Philadelphia, Corey Davis, Channel 6 Action News.